friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn problems on for loop. Okay, let's have a look here, friends. This is the first problem. Write a program that reads a string and prints the first character. Okay, whatever string he given, you have to print first character in that string. Okay, first character and n lines. Okay, string on n lines. Here n is the length of the given string. Okay, n is the length of the given string. Now see here first what is the string? I don't know. Okay, that's why str is equal to, okay, str is equal to input, enter a string. Okay, enter a string. Okay, first I will do with normal Python. First I will do with normal string, then after I will do with user input. Okay, now see here what is asking length. Length is equal to len of, okay, len of str. Okay, len of str. Okay, now see here what is asking, print the first character he is asking. Okay, print the first character he is asking. Then first character is, first char is equal to, okay, first char is equal to str of, str of 0, str of 0. Then he's how many times he's asking, n lines he's asking. N lines means length. Okay, first here you have to print length. Okay, print length means length. How what is the length of the string? Here the length of the string is 6 characters are there. That means you have to print the first character, you have to print 6 lines. Okay, you have to print 6 lines. That's why take for I in range. Okay, for I in range length. Okay, for I in range length, for I in range length. Now see print first character, first char. Okay, now see the output. Here see the first in Python, what is the first character? P. How many times it printed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 6 times it printed. Okay, this is the program, friends. Okay, now this one you try with the user input. You try with user input. Input, enter a string. Okay, enter a string. Now see here string I am giving welcome. Okay, welcome is having 7 characters. Then w will be print 7 times. Okay, w will be print 7 times. Okay, in this way you have to do the program, friends. Okay, now let's dive into another problem. Now see second program. What he is asking, write a program. Okay, write a program that reads a string and prints the each character of the given string on a new line. Okay, now take str is equal to, str is equal to, same like previous program. Take Python. Okay, take Python. Next, for each char. Okay, for each char in str, for each char in str, print each char. Okay, I already explained you in theory. Okay, I see here it take as each character in the given string. Okay, each char in str. Now see the output. See Python. Okay, in each line a single character printed. Okay, in this way we have to do the program. Now this program I am trying with user input, enter a string. Okay, enter a string. Now you have to enter Ashok. See, ASHOK, Ashok. In this way we have to do the program. Okay, now let's dive into another problem. Now see the third problem. Write a program that reads a number n and prints the numbers from 1 to n. Okay, see here asking number n means take one random number. For an example, here I am taking 10 first. Okay, here I am taking 10 first. Here what is asking, print the numbers from 1 to 10. Here 10 means that whatever he asked, that number. Okay, see here for take for loop, for I in range. Okay, the starting number is 1. Here I need to print 10 means here you have to take the next number here. Okay, that means 10 plus 1. Okay, here you have to take up to 10 plus 1, that means n plus 1. Okay, now see, print I. Okay, print I. Now see, here 1 to 10 printed. Okay, 1 to 10 printed. Suppose here I need to print as horizontally, that's why here I'm keeping as and is equal comma. Now you have to see clearly. Okay, 1 to 10 numbers printed. Suppose I want to print up to whatever user asked. Int input, enter a number. Okay, enter a number. Here first I want to print 10 numbers. See, 1 to 10 printed. Suppose I want 1 to 50. Suppose I want, okay, here I didn't change this, I want to change as n. Now see, now I want numbers from 1 to 50. See, the numbers are starting number is 1 and ending number is 50. In this way you have to print the numbers. Okay, now let's dive into another problem. Now see the third problem, sorry, fourth problem. See here, write a program that reads a number n and prints the sum of natural numbers from 1 to n. Okay, already previous we printed 1 to n, already we printed by same condition for, but here we are adding sum. See, here take I am n is equal to int input, enter a number. Okay, enter a number, but here what he is asking, he is asking sum. That's why the initial variable of sum is always 0. The initial variable of sum is always 0. Now take from I in range 1 comma n plus 1. Okay, 1 comma n plus 1. Here you have to print sum is equal to sum plus I. Okay, here you have to apply compound assignment operator. Sum plus is equal to I. Okay, sum is equal to sum plus is equal to I. Okay, this means sum is equal to sum plus I. Sum is equal to sum plus I. At end of the program you have to print sum. Okay, now see, okay, now see the program. Suppose I want to print, first I want to find the sum of natural numbers, means I need to find 1 to 10. Suppose 1 up to 2. Okay, 1 plus 2 how much, what is the answer? 3 is the answer. 1 plus 2 how much? 3 is the answer. Suppose I want to find 1 to 10. Okay, up to 10 55 is the answer. Okay, up to 10 55 is the answer. Okay, suppose I need to print up to 100. Okay, 1 to 100, the sum of natural numbers, means need to print 1 to 100. At that time what is the answer? Okay, 5050 is the answer. Okay, 5050 is the answer. Suppose I need to find uh 2050. Okay, up to one first number to 2050. See, here the answer is this one. Okay, I hope you understand. Now let's dive into another problem. Now see the next problem. Write a program that reads a number n and prints the average of the numbers from 1 to n. Okay, like previous, here you have to find average. Okay, first what is the formula of average? Average is equal to the sum by count. Okay, sum by count is called average. Okay, now see, okay, take input int, enter a number. Okay, enter a number. Here what he is asking, sum and average he is asking. Here count means here n is called count. Okay, here n is called count, but you have to find sum. Okay, sum is equal to 0. Okay, sum is equal to 0. Next, sum is equal to 0, then find for I in range, for I in range 1 comma n plus 1. Okay, 1 comma n plus 1. Now sum is equal to, okay, sum plus is equal to I. Okay, now average, okay, average is equal to, okay, average is equal to, here division he is asking, that's why float of sum by n. Okay, here n means count. Okay, sum by n. Now see, print the average of take f strings, okay, the average of n, okay, the average of given numbers, okay, the average of given numbers is average, okay. Now see the output, okay. Suppose here I want to take 50, okay, up to 50. I'm saying the average is 25.5, okay, the average is 25.5. Suppose I want up to 10, okay, suppose I want up to 10. Up to 10 means, see, the average is 5.5, okay. In this way you have to do the problems, okay. Next dive into another problem. Now see the next problem. Write a program that reads a number n and prints the cube of numbers from 1 to n. Okay. Already we saw previous problems in that, print the 1 to 10, 1 to 50, 1 to 100 we saw. Okay. Those are natural numbers. Same in that way he is asking just cube of the natural numbers. That means we have to print the cube of natural numbers, means suppose 1 cube, 1, 2 cube, 8, 3 cube, 27. In that way, you have to print up to 10. Okay, up to 10 natural numbers. Okay, see, very simple. For I in range, for I in range 1 comma n plus 1, just here cube means power. Okay, I power 3. Okay, cube he is asking. Suppose he is asking square means at the time here you have to keep 2. Suppose he is asking cube, that's why here you have to keep 3. Okay, now see the output. I want first 10 natural numbers. Okay, that is, see, 1 is 1 cube, 1, 2 cube, 8, 3 cube, 27. Okay, I'll print as vertically, see, and okay, I'll print vertically, see this 10 natural numbers. See, 1 comma 8 comma, just give one space. See, 1 comma 1 cube, 1, 2 cube, 8, 3 cube, 27, 4 cube, 64, 5 cube, 125. In that way, you have to do the problem. Okay. As your wish. Suppose if you give 50 means up to 50 cube, it will be print. Okay. See, up to 50 cube, it will be print. Okay. 2 cube here up to, this is up to 10 cube. Okay. In this way, it will be print. Okay. I hope you understand. Now let's go to another problem. Now see the another problem. Given an integer n, write a program which reads n inputs and print them. Okay. Here what is asking, previous problems we done on the n natural numbers. Okay. In that way he is asking. Suppose I want to give, in that way what here is he is asking. Here n is not, here he is not asking about n natural numbers. He is asking some particular number of inputs you have to give. Okay, some particular number of inputs. Suppose n I am entering 2 means you have to enter 2 inputs. Suppose the n is I am giving as 5, you have to give 5 inputs. Okay, in that way he is asking. I'll show you an example. Suppose, see, same, take for I in range 1 comma n plus 1. Okay, I in range 1 comma 1 plus 1, n inputs it's asking. Here I you take as int input. Okay, enter a number, keep like this. Here what happened means, first initially it will ask enter the value of n. Okay, initially it will ask enter the value of n. If you enter here 1 means it will ask you one input. Suppose n you give 2 means it will execute up to 2 inputs. Okay, suppose if n you give 5 means it will execute up to 5 inputs. Okay, I'll show you now. Print the given input is, okay, the given input is I. Now see the output. See, here I am giving 1. 1 means what is asking, enter a number. Okay, enter a number means this is asking. Suppose here I am giving the input is 6. Now the given input is 6. Now the given input is 6. In this way it's asking, okay, only one input. Why? Because n I given only one. Suppose here n I am giving 3. Okay, n I am giving 3. Now what happened? Enter a number. 4 I am giving. The given input is 4. Again it's asking, enter a number again. Okay, now I am giving 8. Again it's asking, enter a number. Now I am giving 7. Okay, 3 times it asked. Okay, in this way, based on the given number of inputs, it will execute. Okay, okay, okay. I hope you understand. Now let's dive into another problem. Hi friends. Now see the another problem. Given two integers m and n, write a program to print a solid rectangle pattern of m rows and n columns by using asterisk character. Okay, I hope you understand what how inputs you have to give. See here, m is indicates rows and n is indicates columns. Okay, now see this problem we have to do in two ways. Okay, first one way I'll show you. First take I in range. Okay, I in range, take 1 comma m plus 1. Why m plus 1 means m is indicates rows. Okay, the asterisk symbol should be print this many rows we need. Okay, every row is having this many columns. Okay, every row is having definitely this many columns, but the rows are fixed. Suppose this problem is having 4 rows, means it will print 4 rows. Suppose the number m is 3, means 3 rows will be print. Okay, that's why the number you have to print is 3 rows. Inside, print star symbol, give on space. Okay, into n. Okay, into n. Now see, it will be print. Suppose here I am giving 3 rows and 3 columns. See, it will print like this: 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, 3 rows and 3 columns. But when we are doing practically, the way of doing this, see, this is here he clearly mentioned rows and columns. Okay, rows and columns means definitely here we are using two for loops. Okay, two for loops. One is for I in range, 1 comma m plus 1, and as well as for j in range, for j in range 1 comma n plus 1. Okay, that means here we must need 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, now here I am printing print star symbol, give one space, comma. Here I need to print horizontally, that's why keep end and give one space. Okay, here I don't want to keep any space here. Okay, give one space. Now this u end with empty print statement. Now it will print. See, I am giving 3 rows and 3 columns. It will print like this. Okay, it will print. When you are initially follow first method. Okay, you are initial level programmer. You have to follow first method. Okay, suppose you have some knowledge in Python at that time. You have follow this. Okay, this is the program, friends. I hope you understand. Okay, that's it for today, guys. That's it in this video. If you understand, it's okay. Suppose if any mistakes are there, please ping in the comments. I'll rectify those mistakes. Okay, if you understand, please like this video as well as share to your friends and subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon. Okay, thank you so much, friends.